Mapamilya singing last year's winning piece. Put your hands together once again for the company and Miss Nikki Hill. Thank you so much for being here. Now at this point, we are going to give out our 8th special awards for Himig Handog 2014. Bago ang ating Best Song awarding mamaya. Kaya naman, we're inviting all of our finalists, the composers, together with their interpreters, to please join us on the stage. Alam niyo, it's my first time to host this prestigious event.
Me too.
At sobrang nakakatuwa na makita na may ginagawa talaga yung mga Pilipino para sa OPM.
Para buhayin
talaga
ng OPM.
Iba talaga ang tama ng original Pinoy music.
Lahat talaga ng songs, grabe. Ang ganda ng music, ang ganda ng
di ba? Parang
lyrics.
Totoo.
Agos na taga-stars.
Yun na naman, Darts sa Heart. Yun nga. Alright, mga pamilya! Handa na ba kayong lahat? First up, we've got the Star Music's Choice Award. We would like to call on stage Mr. Jonathan Manalo, Head of Audio Content, and Attorney Marivic Benedicto, Head of Star Songs, to award our winner.
Ready na ba kayo for our first award? Ayan, our Star Music Choice Award goes to... Bumalik ang Nagdaan by Jessa Zaragoza, composed by Sarah Jane Gandia. Our Star Music Choice Award winner will be receiving 50,000 pesos. Now let me call in from MOR 101.9, Mr. Marcio Campos, Station Manager, Mr. Maui Tadeo, Radio Sales Head, Attorney Abigail Aquino, Head, ABS-CBN Regional Network Group, and DJ Chacha to award the MOR Listener's Choice Award.
All right, our MOR Listener's Choice Award goes to Simpleng Tulad Mo by Daniel Padilla. Words and music by MJ Marco.